Wow, happy Friday, everybody. February 21st, almost the end of February already. And we are on renovation video number 24 or 25. I kind of lost count over the videos and stuff. I'll have to go back and look. But it is bittersweet. This is the last one of the personal home renovation. The guys at Integrity Restoration Services have got us completed. We're all done. What you're going to see today is a before and after of a lot of the stuff that has been completed over the last few months. They wrapped up with the party deck going on the back of the house with a pergola around the pool. Fireplace, just everything is outstanding. So many compliments of people in the neighborhood, family, friends, everybody coming through the house. It's a completely re-gutted kind of renovation, and I couldn't be more happier with, from the starting point with Brad Reckhart at Integrity coming out, doing the consultation, talking through things, and just, eyeballing stuff and everybody's creativity coming together, and opinions and the workarounds, the changing of, backsplashes, shower, tile, paint, ceiling fans. I mean, you name it. It's just been one creative moment, and, every single guy that's walked through the house, Dave, Danny, Dan, Bill, Sean, Mark, little Joey, Dylan, I'm probably missing a couple people, that's kind of went in and out that I've kind of crossed paths with, through the process. But, every single one of them had something to give to the job, and it was outstanding. Wife and I are very happy. It was kind of a unique situation living through everything, being without a kitchen sink for a few weeks, or down to one shower with a household of 5, and just working through it, and and seeing ultimately the final, everything being finalized. And started out as a phone call with the renovation king, Dustin Swigert, and his team at the time, Debbie Timmerman and Jamie Jones. And, through the financing piece all the way through basically yesterday, the final nail going into what I'm calling the party deck, and the pergola and stuff yesterday, shaking a couple guys' hands and, telling them we'll see them down the road. But anyways, I'm going to try to piece together as much as the before and after. I hope you've enjoyed the series of, I think it's 24, maybe 25 videos. As always, you need anything as far as the financing piece, you got any questions on renovation, reach out to me, Shay Hensley, 513-594-9218. I'll get you in touch with Brad, Tyler, Dave, anybody over in Integrity, if you're wanting to get something done, and we'll help you, complete your project. Happy Friday. I hope February's been great to you. Hopefully March starts bringing warmer weather and getting into spring. But have a great weekend.